Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a bubble chart in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public session, and then I'm going to go to my worksheet highlighted in orange. And to create the bubble chart, I'm going to first drag Pokédex number to text, and I'm going to drag against electric to size. Then to change the squares to a circle, I'm going to click on the drop down for marks and select circle. So there we have it. Now we have a bubble chart where each bubble is a Pokédex number, and we have the total sum for the against electric measure. Another way to create the bubble chart is to select the attributes that you're going to use. So I'm going to select Pokédex number. And then if you're on a Windows, you'll hit the Control key. Or if you're on a Mac, you can hit the Command key. Now I'm going to select against electric, go to the right-hand corner option, click on Show Me, and then go to the last row, the option on the far right, and select Pack Bubbles, and this will create that same bubble chart that we saw before. And so there you have it. These are the different approaches that you can use to create a bubble chart in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.